2020 Chevrolet Equinox. With less than 28,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll look forward to your commute every day with features such as lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, turbocharged engine, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, automatic headlights. Stop by for a test drive and feel the difference.